46 divided by 46 equals 1, and 46 divided by 46 gives us 1, and 1 divided by 1, which gives us 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, when we have more than one division, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If you do this division before this division, it's wrong. Okay? Let's start our solution. So first we do this division. We have 46 divided by 46, which equals 1. Now our problem became 1 divided by 46 divided by 46. So we have to work from left to right. 1 divided by 46, which can be written as 1 over 46 divided by 46. So to make this division, we have to drop down 1 over 46, then change division to multiplication, then flip the 46 to be 1 over 46, which equals 1 over 2116. And this was our final answer for this problem.